Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a leave type here in Zoho People. Alright, so first up, just go and log into your admin account. And once done, go to the top right and click on the gear icon besides your profile. Okay, click on it. Now go ahead and click on Leave Tracker. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead over to this tab. Okay, now go ahead and click on Leave Policy. Alright, click on it. And as you can see here, I have a ton of leave types. Okay, if you want to add in some more, you can go ahead and manually add a leave policy, or you can go ahead and click on Leave Policy Gallery and you'll have a ton of options right here. Okay, for example, optional holidays, on duty or work from home, leave accrual every 3 years, something like that. And for countries right here, or specific countries, let's say we have USA, okay, family and medical leave, or FMLA. You can go ahead and enable this one. Just click on the check mark and then just click on Use Template. All right, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, you can go ahead and edit the policy right here. You can change the color and the code, scroll down, add in the description and the date that it will take effect and it will expire. Okay, for example, it will take effect starting tomorrow and it will expire on the last day of the month. All right, hit on next, entitlement right here, effective years. Okay, 0 or maybe 1 year, 2 years from date of joining. Okay, credit 84 days yearly on 1st of January, or credit maybe 5 days if you want to. Okay, and if you want to credit it in the next accrual, you can go ahead and click on this checkbox. If not, just leave it. Can it be reset? Yes or no? Yes, check. Okay, now once done, you can go ahead and click on advanced options right here, and you can go ahead and add an opening balance, maximum balance, and deductible holidays. All right, and once that's done, hit on next. Now you can go ahead and apply this one to a specific employee, or the specific policy right here or leave type will be applicable for all of your employees. Okay, basically leave it to all employees. Hit on next. Restrictions right here. If you want to allow leave requests that exceeds the entitled leaves, you can check on this check mark. All right, sandwich leave policy right here, you have a slider. Reports, file uploads, record level restrictions, and some other options. All right, and once that's done, finally, just click on add. Wait for it, and your FMLA has now been added. Your employees can now then go ahead and maybe go to their leave tracker right here and apply for a leave. And when they click on the drop down, they should be able to see it. All right, and there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.